Okay. Yes. I'm Mama Lily, and both myself and my grandson, I'm going to teach him how to cook Jamaican dish. We're going to cook some Jamaican stew chicken. And we already have the chicken marinated. Come on, tell them what to use. Garlic, onion, scallion, sweet pepper, thyme, onion powder, garlic powder, adobo, a bit of red crushed pepper, and different seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, and a different seasoning. And we put Jamaica Grace browning in it to get the color. So this is what the seasoned chicken look like. So we're gonna pour some oil in the pot. Here, come on. Here is McCoy. Watch his face. Come on, pour oil. I'll tell you when to stop. Go ahead. Pour more. Yes, stop. Right, McCoy is there pouring the oil in the pot. There's the pot on the stove. Yes. And he's going to wait until the oil is heated a bit. And then he's going to put the chicken in the pot. 2 times. Right. He's going to put the chicken in the pot. Come on now, Makai. You're going to use this, and you're going to put the chicken in the pot. Come on. Take your time. Right. Here's Makai cooking. Hold the dish up now. Go on, put them in. You want grandma to help you? Maybe.
Mama Lily's gonna cook and help us. Huh? Yeah, that is a lot of chicken.
doing his first stew chicken. See? Okay guys, the chicken is on the stove and it's cooking. So we will be right back. Stay tuned.